What's up, YouTube? You're tuned in to Jersey Devil 77. Today we're going to go down to the RTSP, which is the Right to Self-Protect range in Randolph, New Jersey, and we're going to test out my AR15 that I built with Jimmy Grimenos from Gun for Hire. You can check them out on the web at gunforhire.com. You should definitely sign up, take a course, build your own AR, learn how to do any gun repairs you may want or need to do, and refuse to be a victim. So I'll see you guys down at the range.
Living and dying, laughing and crying. Once you have seen it, you'll never be the same. Life isn't a fast one, it's just how it seems. Hard and heavy is beauty in me. Won't I rest? It's how I live my life. I can't take it any other way. Won't I rest? Sign of living past. It's going to take a breath away. Don't stop for nothing, it's full speed or nothing. I'm taking down, whatever's in my way. Getting your beats and shooting the line. Sending the shivers up and down my spine. Won't I rest? It's how I live my life. I can't take it any other way. Won't I rest? Sign of living fast. It's going to take a breath away. They are all missing on what life's about. You only live once, so take